Good morning, children. Welcome back to our Maths online class. We continue the chapter 5 fractions, in which we will discuss comparison of fractions and addition of fractions. Let us watch the class. Today we will learn comparing fractions. Comparison of fractions you already learned. Like fractions we know well, that is, in like fractions, greater the numerator will be the greater fraction. So, we can study now unlike fractions. Compare unlike fractions. For unlike fractions, we have to change them into like fractions. We have to change into like fractions. Then we can compare. First example, compare 2 by 5 and 3 by 4. So, two methods are there. First one, we can write equivalent fractions and then choose the like fractions, then compare. Okay. How we will write equivalent fractions for 2 by 5? By multiplying with 2 by 2, 4 by 10, then 6 by 15, 8 by 20, 10 by 25, etc. Moreover, we can write 3 by 4 equals 6 by 8, 12 by 16, 15 by 20. From this group of fractions, we can choose like fractions. These are the like fractions equivalent to this given 2 by 5 and 3 by 4. So, we can compare 8 by 20 and 15 by 20. We wrote the corresponding like fractions here, 8 by 20, 15 by 20. Normally, greater the numerator will be the greater fraction. Now, you can observe these two fractions are like fractions. Is it? So, we can compare only numerators. Here, 8 is less than 15. So, as 8 by 20 less than 15 by 20. This is the first method. Okay, right? So, we will conclude the answer 8 by 20 corresponding to 2 by 5. Is it? And 15 by 20 is corresponding to 3 by 4. So, we can write 2 by 5 less than 3 by 4. Okay. Second method by finding LCM. LCM method. Another problem we can do. Compare 1 by 3 and 1 by 4. So, denominators are 3 and 4. We find the LCM of 3 and 4. Denominators are 3 and 4. So, we find LCM of 3 and 4. What is the LCM? Do you remember the method to find LCM? 3 and 4 we will write like this, and then we will divide the multiples we wrote here and their products will be the LCM. So, this LCM should be the denominator of our new fraction. That is our aim. So, these 3 should become this 12. Which number we should multiply 3 to get 12? 4. So, we should multiply 4 by 4. So, we will get 4 by 12. Next fraction 1 by 4. 1 by 4 also we can write like this. 4 should be, the denominator should be 12. So, as to we multiply with 3 by 3. So, new fraction will be 3 by 12. Then instead comparing this 1 by 3 and 1 by 4, we will compare 4 by 12 and 3 by 12. From here you can see these two fractions are like fractions. So, we can write 4 by 12 greater than 3 by 12. Why? Here the numerator 4 is bigger than 3, greater than 3. So, we can write 1 by 3 greater than 1 by 4. 4 by 12 is equivalent to 1 by 3. So 1 by 3. Instead this 4 by 12, 1 by 3. 3 by 12 equivalent to 1 by 4. So 3 by 12 we will write 1 by 4. So 1 by 3 and 1 by 4 we compared and got 1 by 3 greater than 1 by 4. Okay. Children, if any method is not mentioning, you can use LCM method normally, because in the higher class we will use LCM method. Okay. One more question we can do here. Compare 2 by 5 and 2 by 7. Observe these two fractions. You can see here the numerators are same, but denominators are different. So we can use LCM method. LCM of 5 and 7 is 5 into 7, 35. Then again 2 by 5, to become denominator 35, we should multiply by 7. So we wrote 7 by 7. 2 into 7, 14. 5 into 7, 35. So 14 by 35. Like that, 2 by 7 into 5 by 5, because we must get the denominator same or same denominator. So 2 by 7 into 5 by 5, we got 10 by 35. Now these two fractions are like fractions, so we can compare. Okay. Therefore, 14 by 35 greater than 10 by 35, because numerator 14 is bigger than 10. So, 2 by 5 greater than 2 by 7. Got the point? Clear? Moreover, we can observe one matter here. What is it? Here, these two unlike fractions, numerators are same. But what we found here, smaller the denominator is the bigger fraction. Bigger or greater denominator will be the smaller fraction. So if in a group of unlike fractions with same numerator, smaller denominator will be the greater fraction. That you learn well. Okay. So question, compare the fractions without writing LCM or writing equivalent fractions. We can compare these fractions. 1 by 2 dash 1 by 4. Here numerators are same. So smaller denominator will be the greater fraction. So we can write 1 by 2 greater than 1 by 4. Okay. Next question. 5 by 11. 5 by 12. Which is bigger? 5 by 11 is greater than 5 by 12. Smaller denominator will be greater fraction. Remember that. Here in the question C, 2 by 3 dash 4 by 6. Observe these two terms, 2 by 3, 4 by 6. 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 2, 6. So we can see they are equivalent fractions. So the answer is equal, simple. Understood? Next is addition of fractions. At like fractions, no problem to solve, because in the case of like fractions, numerators only, different denominators are same. So we can add easily. Numerators only we have to add. 3 plus 1, 4 by the same denominator. This is, children, don't add denominators. Some children adding the denominators also, it is not correct. So you must add only the numerators, keeping the denominator same. Keep the denominator same. Okay. So we can add only numerators. 3 by 5 plus 1 by 5. 3 plus 1 by 5. Denominator 5 itself. So 3 plus 1, 4 by 5. This is the way to add like fractions. It is so simple. Copy the notes and study well. Thank you, children.